Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a live photo wallpaper on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, press on the side button to lock your device and then tap on it to turn on the lock screen. On the lock screen, touch and hold. Then to create a new live photo wallpaper, tap on the add button. Next, tap on live photo. In here, select all. And from the list here, select a live photo that you want to use. So for example, this one right here. You can also zoom in or zoom out on the photo. You can also move it around. Then you can tap on this button here to make sure it works. So here, tap on this live wallpaper button. Tap on the live picture button and then tap on add. Then tap on set as wallpaper pair. And then select it. And that's it. Now you can see that when I turn on my lock screen, it will show the live photo as a wallpaper. Now another way to do it is from your home screen. So go back to your home screen and then tap on Photos. In the Photos library, select a live picture. Then touch and hold onto that picture to have a preview. Next, what you want to do is tap on the Share button at the bottom. And then scroll down and tap on Use as Wallpaper. And then in here, you can customize your lock screen, such as the time, the color, the font, and if you want to add any widgets in, you can add in widgets in here. Then tap on Close, and then tap on Add, and then choose Set as Wallpaper Pair, or you can customize a different home screen background. I'm going to select Set as Wallpaper Pair, and that's it. Now if you swipe up to go back to your home screen, you can see that we have now set a new wallpaper with or by using the live photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.